Hello everyone. In our today's discussion, we will talk about rock physics, what is rock physics, and how we can define it. Is rock physics another name of petrophysics? If not, then what is the difference between rock physics and petrophysics? Rock physics is the science behind quantitative seismic interpretation. If you have any question, you may write in the comments. Here we go. What is rock physics? Rock physics describes a reservoir rock by physical properties such as porosity, rigidity, compressibility, properties that will affect how seismic waves physically travel through the rocks. In other words, it seeks to establish relations between these material properties like porosity, permeability, shale volume, water saturation, bulk modulus, Lami's parameter, and observed seismic response to develop a predictive theory so that these properties may be detected seismically. This slide describes rock physics definition in a more precise way. On left-hand side, there are reservoir rock properties like porosity, permeability, fluids viscosity, temperature and pressure, pore fluid types, and saturation levels. On the right-hand side, there is seismic response like reflection, amplitudes, travel time of seismic waves, etc. Rock physics in the middle establish relations between rock properties and their seismic response. How seismic properties are affected due to rock properties when seismic waves travel through reservoir rock. A journey from geological Earth's model to seismic expression is called forward seismic modeling and vice versa, which is not today's topic of discussion. Let's have a more insight into rock physics. Rock physics acts as a bridge between geology and geophysics. On the left-hand side, there is geology. I mean, say reservoir rock. So rock physics through quantitative seismic interpretation describes the impact of rock's physical properties on the seismic response shown on the right-hand side in terms of reflectivity map. The results of the rock physics analysis are carried out by using crossplot analysis of various elastic and seismic parameters that also visually identify or detect anomalies which could be interpreted as the presence of hydrocarbon or other fluids and lithologies. In the rock physics figure below, a crossplot between two different rock physics attributes, say velocities ratio and acoustic impedance, shows how it helps to separate different reservoir rock properties like clay content, brine and gas sand zones. To establish a relationship between seismic expression and physical properties therefore requires one, knowledge about elastic properties of the pore fluid and rock frame. Second, models for rock fluid interaction. As an example, Gauss-Mann fluid substitution model. Now we will discuss another important point that creates a confusion for many people. It is because Petra also means rock. Is rock physics another name of petrophysics? If not, then what is difference? Rock physics versus petrophysics, how both strongly linked disciplines differ. Rock physics uses sonic, density, and shear logs, while petrophysics exploits all kinds of logs, core and production data, and integrate relevant information. Sonic time and density computed from core plugs can also be utilized for rock physics analysis. Rock physics aims to establish a relationship of seismic properties like P wave velocity, S wave velocity, density with elastic parameters like bulk modulus, shear modulus, Lami's constant, etc. And porosity, permeability, fluids within pore spaces, temperature, pressure for given lithologies, while petrophysics provides the physical properties like porosity, permeability, shale volume, water saturation, etc., which are related to production parameters. Rock physics talks about seismic and elastic parameters because these are what link the physical properties to seismic expression, while petrophysics is usually less concerned with seismic and more about wellbore measurements to contribute the reservoir description. Rock physics is the interest of geophysicists or maybe physicists, and petrophysics is the interest of petroleum engineers, well logs analysts, geologists, core analysts, and geophysicists. In short, rock physics uses the information provided by petrophysics like porosity, permeability, water saturation, shale volume, temperature, and pressure conditions of reservoir rock. More detail can be found in the reference paper given below. All right, well, that's all I have for you today. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. We hope to see you again with more helpful videos in future. Bye.